When monsoon season begins, it is not surprising that the people of Tarapung consistently gets disconnected from rest of the district due to its deplorable road conditions. Therefore, the people of Tarapung are always compelled to leave their ailing patients for medication or the mortal remains of the deceased for cremation on their shoulders due to unavailability of good road and transport facilities. An ailing person identified as Mirdan Kilingpi, wife of Andrew Bay, resident of Sarthe-Rongphar village, falling under the jurisdiction of Dolamara police station, Nilip, had been incapacitated due to its week-long illness. Due to unavailability of medical facilities in Tarapung area, the people of Tarapung are forced to move to Dolamara to get their medicines. But it was reported that many lives had been lost midway due to unavailability of road, transport facilities, and health centers nearby the region. Karbianglong Live had covered several incidents to bring this issue into light and to ensure its reaches to the higher authority. So far, no any initiatives from the authority could be seen. But the people of Tarapung kept their aspiration alive that the government would one day review the matter and fulfill their aspiration. Therefore, they often report Karbianglong Live for a constant coverage on the hardships of the people of Tarapung that goes through in their life. The family of the ailing patient proceeds from Dolamara to Chokihola to seek financial assistance from the local representative Pradip Rongpi, MSc, Nilip. And any warm-hearted individuals who wish to extend their helping hand may kindly contact Andrew Bay. Mobile number 6026805773 for more details about the ailing patient. RG Sonrongpar's report from Dolamara, Karbianglong Live.